Welcome to Ownr. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Today, we're taking a look at Ownr Wallet, a platform found at https://ownrwallet.com. This service presents itself as a solution for managing digital assets, offering a secure space to store, send, and receive cryptocurrencies. Ownr Wallet emphasizes user-friendliness, suggesting it's designed for both beginners navigating the crypto world for the first time and experienced users looking for a streamlined experience. The platform likely provides a user interface that simplifies complex processes, potentially making cryptocurrency management more accessible to a wider audience. While the specific features and functionalities offered by Ownr Wallet require further exploration on their website, we can anticipate features common to many digital wallets. These could include secure key storage, transaction history tracking, and potentially integration with various cryptocurrency exchanges. The security measures implemented by Ownr Wallet are crucial and likely involve encryption and other protective mechanisms to safeguard user funds. Furthermore, the wallet might offer support for a range of different cryptocurrencies, allowing users to diversify their digital asset portfolios within a single platform. Ownr Wallet's focus on security and user experience suggests it aims to address two key concerns for cryptocurrency users: the safety of their assets and the ease of managing them. As the cryptocurrency landscape continues to evolve, platforms like Ownr Wallet strive to provide tools that simplify the complexities of this emerging financial space. Investigating the specific details on their website will reveal the full scope of Ownr Wallet's capabilities and how it compares to other similar services on the market. It's always advisable to conduct thorough research before entrusting any platform with your digital assets. Exploring user reviews and comparing features with competing wallets can help make an informed decision. Ultimately, choosing a digital wallet depends on individual needs and preferences, with factors like security, supported currencies, and ease of use playing significant roles in the selection process.